Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so my Ipsy spoilers just kind of got interrupted by some more BoxyCharm spoilers. So, we have got the first spoilers for the BoxyCharm base August box. Now, these are also the choice items. Of course, I found it at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram and also at Boxy Preview. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on new spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers for the Ipsy August standard bag. And again, I do have plus, but those will be after these BoxyCharm videos because these just come out. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, first, hey Mandy, spoiler alert. Yep, Jenny, you know, these things are rolling out today. I'm going to probably be up till about 2 o'clock putting out these spoiler videos because there's so many of them that just come out, BoxyCharm and Ipsy. But Jenny, I really appreciate you having your notification bell set, honey, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search about and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, here in just a second I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button during that time. You'll see a little red heart beside of the timer. It will turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. And it will also give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that out the way. And welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are the choice items as well as the spoilers for the BoxyCharm base August box. Now, if you don't have this marked down in your calendar, early access for choice time is going to be July 13th, and then all access will be open for choice time on July 14th. So make sure you mark that down in your calendar because these are your choices right here. So the first thing is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and the shades, of course, will vary. Next up is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And then next is the QMS Active Glow SPF 15 Tinted Day Cream. And then last but certainly not least is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. Now guys, I'm really excited about these spoilers because I do have another video, which is going to be after all the confirmed spoiler videos that I'm going to put up. But it showed every one of these items in it. It's like the secret survey spoilers. So I'm so excited to put that video up because, guys, now we can see what... I've got quite a few items in that video. So I'm quite excited to see which ones are getting confirmed because these were already on that video. So I can't wait to put that out. So, of course, guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments section. And which one of these are you going to choose for your box? Let us know that as well. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lori Elswick. Lori says, yay! Yeah, Lori, I got you, honey. You want to see spoilers? I got you a bunch of them today. And like I said earlier, I'll probably be up till about 2 o'clock putting out spoiler videos. So get ready, honey. I got more coming out. And Lori, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would, check that out for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept the gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss out on none of my videos. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.